What would actually happen if you fell into a black hole? Not in theory, but step by step, moment by moment. Would you die instantly? Or would you watch it happen? Because the truth is far more disturbing than most people think. And if you enjoy videos that break down the universe like this, make sure to subscribe to Facts Unknown, because what comes next only gets crazier. Imagine drifting through space, completely weightless, surrounded by silence. At first, nothing feels wrong. No alarms, no sudden pull, no warning, just darkness ahead. But here's the problem. That empty space isn't empty at all. It's a black hole. And the moment you get too close, there's no turning back. Strangely, you wouldn't feel anything at first. No force dragging you in, no pain. Which raises a terrifying question. If nothing feels wrong, how would you know? You're already doomed. As you drift closer, the stars behind you begin to distort. Light bends, space itself starts to warp. And this is where things stop making sense. Because while you feel like you're falling to the rest of the universe, you're about to freeze in time. But before we go further, we need to understand one thing. What exactly is a black hole? Despite the name, it's not a hole. It's an object, an extremely dense one. When a massive star dies, it collapses under its own gravity, and everything gets crushed into an incredibly small space. Now imagine this. Something with the mass of our sun compressed into a tiny sphere. That's how powerful it is. Its gravity becomes so strong, not even light can escape. And that's why it looks completely black. But here's the problem. If we can't see it, how do we know it's there? Scientists don't see black holes directly. They see the effects. Stars orbiting nothing, light bending, matter glowing as it falls in. It's like seeing leaves spinning in the air and realizing there must be a tornado. Now you're getting closer, and there's a boundary ahead. You won't see it, you won't feel it, but once you cross it, you're gone forever. It's called the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross it, and nothing escapes. Not even light. But here's the strange part. From far away, someone watching you would never see you cross it. You would appear to slow down and slowly fade away. But for you, nothing changes. You just keep falling. So which one is real? Both. Because near a black hole, reality itself starts to split. As you fall deeper, time begins to break. To an outside observer, you're slowing down, almost frozen. But for you, everything feels normal. Your heartbeat, your thoughts, your movement, all unchanged. Now, think about this. A few minutes for you could be years for someone far away. That means you're slowly disconnecting from the universe itself, not just in space, but in time. And yet, this still isn't the worst part. Because now, gravity stops being gentle and starts tearing you apart. The pull on your feet is stronger than on your head, and that difference becomes deadly. Your body begins to stretch, longer, thinner, until it can't hold together anymore. This is called spaghettification. And yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. But here's the disturbing part. It doesn't happen instantly. It starts slowly, then gets worse and worse, until even atoms can't stay together. And still, you're falling. And if you're still watching this, you're already ahead of most people. So hit like, and let's go even deeper. Now imagine looking around. In your final moments, you wouldn't see darkness. You'd see something impossible. Light bends around the black hole. The universe starts to distort. Stars stretch into glowing arcs. Some even appear duplicated. It's like reality itself is folding in on itself. And then, something even stranger happens. Light shifts, colors disappear, the universe fades, not because it's gone, but because it's being stretched beyond what you can see. And yet, one thing remains: a perfect dark circle, the black hole itself. Here's something surprising: not all black holes kill you instantly. Smaller ones, they destroy you immediately. But larger ones, you might cross the event horizon alive. No pain, no warning, just silence. But here's the problem. Inside, there is no escape. Not because something is pulling you, but because space itself is curved inward. Every direction leads deeper. Every path ends the same way. And then you reach the unknown. Inside a black hole, physics breaks completely. At the center is something called a singularity, a point of infinite density, where our laws of physics stop working. We don't know what happens there. We can't predict it. We can't test it. It's a place where knowledge ends and mystery begins. But what if it's not the end? Some scientists believe black holes could be gateways to another part of the universe, or even another universe entirely, through something called a wormhole, a shortcut through space and time. But here's the problem. We've never seen one. And even if they exist, they might collapse instantly. Still, the possibility remains. What if falling into a black hole isn't dying, but going somewhere else? So what really happens when you fall into a black hole? First, nothing. Then, distortion. Then, time breaks. Then, your body stretches until it can't survive. And beyond that, we don't know. But one thing is certain. Once you cross the event horizon, there is no return, no signal, no escape. But black holes aren't just destroyers. They are clues. They show us where our understanding ends and where new discoveries begin. If you want more videos like this, where we explore the most extreme mysteries of the universe, subscribe to Facts Unknown, because the next video might completely change how you see reality.